Day one of the summer 2017 television advert. This year we're concentrating on the sound that water makes.
Water burbles, water gurgles, water crashes, water splashes. But Welsh Water does something a little bit different. It listens as well.
So we're focusing very much on the sound of different elements of water, from streams to ice cubes cracking to the sea.
And then switching to the story about how Welsh Water wants to hear from their customers this summer to help shape plans for the future.
I think the day's going really well. We've had food and my family's been able to come down, my boyfriend's been able to come down, so it's been a great experience for all of us.
We're here now in this spectacular location between Talbot Reservoir and Pont Sticyll. This afternoon we're filming with two of our graduates.
It's really nice for me to be in this advert because I'm quite proud to represent my company that I'm working for.
Yeah, I don't think I'm made for acting, but it was a fun experience doing it with Tori, another grad.
It was a good laugh, I had a really nice time. It's a fun way to spend my Sunday.
How are you doing, Riz? Good.
So day two, we're just about to film. We've got a rain machine in the background. It never rains when you need it to in Wales.
That might be okay, actually, Mark. So
We're going to film a scene with Dominic and his two daughters. Dominic works for Welsh Water.
It's great to have the opportunity to be a part of a future advert that can help customers influence the way that the company moves forward.
Today we're working with both children and animals, so we're risking everything to try and create an ad that's hopefully really engaging for viewers back home.
The company's very focused on its future initiatives at the moment and how customer money is spent, so it's really important that we give customers a chance to have their say.
It's good that it's not for profit, and also they make water clean for us to drink. Like, imagine what you can do without water.
We're at Porthcawl Beach filming Hayley and her two little ones, Matilda and Mabel. The film is seen on the beach, showing the importance of the environment and our work to protect it.
We've been down on the beach playing rock pools with Matilda and her Bambi.
Matilda, this is her second year. She did the two ads for us last year. Could be an annual thing with Matilda, I think. She's doing so well, so we love using her in our ads.
We're a Welsh Water family anyway. My dad's worked for Welsh Water, my brother's worked for Welsh Water, and it's nice to kind of get them involved in it.
As ever, we've been spoiled for locations here in Wales. It's been remarkably rewarding, and I think we've seen how water touches every single part of our lives, really, out in the countryside, in our homes, and at the seaside here.
Brooks babble, waves lap, ice clinks and cracks, raindrops pitter-patter.
Final part of the ad, the dub. This ad is very much about the sound that water makes, so we're spending quite a bit of time refining the sound and making sure we can highlight all those water noises.
Water makes a lot of different noises, but Welsh Water does something else too. We listen.
And we're delighted to have Matthew Rhys as the voiceover.
Dwedwch wrthon ni beth sy'n bwysig I chi heddi ac am y dyfodol.
It's lovely to see that final product come together, and away it goes to the broadcasters to go out on television.
Welsh Water, for Wales, not for profit.